around them. So interesting. Okay, let's throw food for them. Okay, throw food, throw food. They know to go for food, okay. I know how we're gonna catch them. This is gonna be pretty easy, actually.
To lower a trap.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. I missed this one.
Did you open the whole thing?
Take whatever we give them. Oh, they're both waiting for us. Hi, guys. Okay, let's move it all the way down here. You guys will have to pass it.
I'm ready. Yeah, me too.
Just let's take it away from the phones.
Don't move. So the door is open.
Okay. Let's start throwing food. Let's throw food. Okay, good. All right, let's lift it. No, let's just wait for another second. Okay, so you just throw food inside. You can throw more, just grab with your finger.
That's it.
Amazing. Awesome. Perfect. Okay, good job. One. Ready? Two. Let's go.
Three.
Up.
Here. Okay. Let me.
No. Balance it.
Eldad.
I need to hold it. Hold it tight.
Okay.
I'm gonna switch. Okay. Just lift.
Almost.
Okay. Wait. Leave this one. Wait. I'm gonna lift mine.
Oh my god, the cat is freaking out.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go up. Sorry, babies.
Okay.
Hold on.
Lift it up. There we go. Just watch their paws now because they're trying to sneak out. Beautiful.
Amazing.
Hey, you. You can pick him up. Oops. Hey.
You're gonna get stuck in
Ready for baths? All right, let's do it.
Well, do the hair first.
Kicking.
Okay, great.
Baby, so thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey.
was just neutered the other day. Hey, Spirit. Hi, Spirit. Oh my God, there's so many more here. Hi, guys. Oh, you're the best. Oh, he's coming for more. Oh, no way.